Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World. Today I'm going to do the video walkthrough for you of the 2025 Transcend 1 161BH. The Transcend 1 lineup is all new for Grand Design. This particular model is weighing in at 4,800 pounds dry, so it is a great family bunk model. Once we get inside, you'll see just why. It does have thermofoil wrapped roof and front cap, so it is R40 insulation. Fully enclosed and heated underbelly with a designated heat duct into the underbelly. So it's going to extend your camping a little bit earlier in the spring, a little bit later in the fall. Again, this guy weighs 4,800 pounds dry. At the front here, there's actually motion sensor lighting in there. 12-volt power awning. So the awning extends almost the whole length of the trailer with the LED lights in it. An outside JBL Bluetooth speaker, two-way water heater. So this is a propane and electric water heater, 6-gallon gas electric, and a little outside kitchen. So not very often on these smaller guys do you see the outside kitchen, but they were able to incorporate it into this 161BH. So your flat top griddle, kind of like a Blackstone, and your mini fridge to keep all those extra drinks outside, along with a little bit of storage. There's a plug-in in there as well. On the back of the Transcend 1 161BH, it is backup camera prepped, as well as Lippert ladder prep, so you can add those aftermarket through our parts department. And they've got a nice, neat little cubby here too for added storage, maybe your tools, that sort of thing. Maybe all the beach toys and whatnot go into this cubby, but an extra little amount of storage. On the roadside here, in the front cubby is kind of your convenience center. So you've got your water hookup and solar disconnect and battery disconnect. All right, so we are inside the 2025 Transcend 161BH. I absolutely love this floor plan. One of the neat little features in this coach, being a smaller unit, you do get your sofa and your dinette. So the way they've managed to do this is it is a Murphy bed. Super easy to maneuver. So you have your sofa and then an easy transformation to your 60 by 80 queen size bed. Mattress just stays up in behind the Murphy bed. So super easy and convenient. You've got USB ports and plugins at the head of the bed with kind of like little nightstands. USB and plugins at the front. Nice tall storage on either side of the bed. Open storage above the top there where you could put some baskets and whatnot. So they've done a nice job with the storage up around the master bedroom. You've also got storage on either side at the front here. So like little kind of side tables, I guess, when you're using it as a sofa. A couple drawers below. And there's actually a table that comes out that you can use for more eating or playing cards. That would sit in front of the sofa as well. Up over to the slide area here, you have your 4-person dinette that does pop down to a bed. So this coach can actually sleep up to 8 people if need be. They have your full extension drawers on either side of the dinette. So they've done a really great job of storage in this not so large coach. So lots of room there. Pleated blackout blinds. Moving along into the kitchen area, you've got your microwave, 2-burner cooktop here, a small bank of 2 drawers there, seamless countertop, stainless steel sink. They've even added in a paper towel holder, cupboard above, storage below, nice big open cabinet below there, 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. So the coach is equipped with 200 watts of solar and prepped to add up to 400 more watts if need be, and a 30 amp charge controller. It's also inverter prepped if you choose to go with an inverter. And you have your pull-out freezer drawer here. It's actually nice and deep, so you can get a lot of frozen goods in there. And a nice big drawer on the bottom again for maybe your pots and pans. All right, moving into the bunk area here, it is your double over double. So again, this coach is actually 23 feet tip to tail. So it packs a lot of punch for the size that it is and the weight that it is at 4,800 pounds. Double over double bunks, a light at each level. They do have the USB charging port here as well as the C charger. plugins, and 2 drawers below for some of the kids' items. Generally in a unit like this, I like to use even the dinette drawers for the kids' items because you can be kind of a little bit limited with storage, but there's a lot of unique ways you can make it work. Into the washroom, we have your foot flush toilet, a nice size shower with your full shower surround, sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet, and there's actually pretty decent space inside the washroom. So thanks for joining me on this tour of the Grand Design 2025 Transcend 161BH. One thing I didn't mention is no matter the line of Grand Design, they carry their warranties right through all of their brands. So Transcend 1 has your 1-year manufacturer's warranty, 3-year structural warranty, 5 years on the decals, 5 years on the tires. So they do a really great job with their warranties as well. Give us a shout, Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.